With the world's largest population and the second largest economy, China is a force to be reckoned with. So when it was announced that the Chinese government was cracking down on cryptocurrencies, blockchain enthusiasts and investors alike were visibly upset. But one cryptocurrency has flown under the radar and has been accumulating a steady stream of partnerships with the Chinese government. What makes VeChain a must-have for the Chinese government? Welcome back to yet another video of Crypto Guardians, your go-to channel for all the latest updates on crypto. To always get the latest videos, make sure to get subscribed and hit that bell icon. While you're at it, smash that like button and share your thoughts in the comments. While China has been against cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which affect its sovereignty, it has slowly developed a partnership with VeChain. VeChain is the only commercial blockchain platform approved in China, and it continues to assist the government with various projects through the VeChain blockchain. In this video, we will explore why China prefers VeChain's blockchain solution and what it means for VET holders. We will also talk about VeChain's partnership with China for a rollout of its carbon emission trading platform and how VeChain could play a pivotal role in the country's plastic pollution control. Finally, we will explore how VeChain's blockchain solution could be key for China's ambitions to roll out its own digital currency. VeChain is the blockchain solution for China. It's no secret that China has prioritized the development and adoption of blockchain technology to prioritize the launch of its own central bank digital currency. However, the country has been firmly against the growth of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, as it perceives it as a threat against its own central currency. With the world's largest population and the second largest economy, China is a force to be reckoned with. This is great news for VeChain, considering that its influence continues to expand within China. According to a report, Chinese officials have expressed their belief that VeChain's blockchain technology will play an important role in the digital economy. Officials have also expressed their admiration for the technology and business development of VeChain. VeChain is the only blockchain platform which is approved by the Chinese government for commercial application. This, in addition to the numerous meetings between the VeChain Foundation and government officials, have had many speculating about future partnerships between the two entities. VeChain will help China's carbon neutral goal. China has officially set a goal of achieving carbon neutrality by 2060. One of the key ways China aims to achieve this is by building a national carbon emissions trading platform. The new National Carbon Emissions Trading Platform will help the country, the world's largest emitter of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, catch up with similar financial instruments in the United States and European Union. The platform will allow mainland Chinese companies to trade carbon credits, a process where companies that release less carbon dioxide can sell their excess credits to companies that are still exceeding their limits. VeChain may partner with the government to track all trades made on the exchange in a decentralized blockchain. This would ensure stability and immutability, ensuring that the transaction wouldn't be reversed. VeChain has previously partnered with DNVGL to create a disruptive solution called Carbon Bank and may partner with the government for its trading platform. This existing solution developed by VeChain aims to monitor, analyze, and reduce the global carbon footprint. Carbon Bank is currently being used and researched by universities, businesses, and government bodies. With Carbon Bank, VeChain aims to provide an ecosystem which links these entities in an effort to reduce the carbon emissions. BYD has used this solution to move data from millions of automobiles onto the VeChain blockchain. The Carbon Bank solution rewards vehicle operators with carbon credits based on their vehicle's driving performance and carbon reduction. Each footprint capture will be recorded on the blockchain and made available to clients interested in participating in the initiative. Current partnerships. VeChain has had key national-level partnerships with the Chinese government to assist in building a traceability system for the food industry. The VeChain Foundation has joined the China Animal Health and Food Safety as a council member. As a member, VeChain provides technical infrastructure support to over 130 companies in the alliance, including Chinese subsidiaries of Starbucks, McDonald's, and Walmart. VeChain will use the Toolchain platform to assist CAFA in building a traceability system across China by building upon the existing food trust system. This will enable enterprise members of the alliance to log key process of the food products onto the blockchain in a secure way, bridging trust between consumers and enterprises. The VeChain Foundation has also officially met with government officials from 3 important Chinese districts. Representatives from Shanghai, Changning, and Huangpu visited the organization's office in Singapore. Per the report from the VeChain Foundation, the representatives from the enterprise blockchain platform and the governments talked about potential transformative collaborations. The meeting was attended by Dr. Zhiheng Zhou, Chief Scientist of VeChain Technology, Bing Wang, Director of Human Resources, Yiyun Xia, Director of Marketing and Public Relations, and Diyang Gong, Executive Assistant to the CEO. During the meeting, the participants discussed the business models and how VeChain can make a difference in the corporate sector. Per a separate report, the Deputy Director for the Changning District, Pan Min, repeatedly praised VeChain's technology and business development. VeChain has seen a boom in China, with a report on VeChain's role in a 5-year national plan to develop its blockchain capabilities. Planned collaborations in the future. China is embracing digitalization to gain more centralized control while getting a head start on technologies of the future. VeChain has had a track record of partnering with China and could play a key role in the future of the digital yuan. VeChain may be instrumental with the rollout and traceability of the digital currency. VeChain's toolchain platform will record all transactions made using the new currency, ensuring traceability and immutability on the blockchain. This new system of tracing the currency would prevent theft and fraud and also usher in a new era of digital spending. This would enable the Chinese government to understand consumer spending patterns and fine-tune their macroeconomic policies accordingly. Since the aim of the digital yuan is to replace the existing fiat system, VeChain's blockchain system bridges the trust to ensure that all transactions are settled efficiently. VeChain may also play a significant role in China's plastic pollution control in the future. A recent report claims that the National Commission is formulating the 14th 5-year plan of action for plastic pollution control, which VeChain could be a key part of. VeChain's blockchain technology can help enterprises achieve transparent data, reduce the cost of biodegradable materials, and improve production efficiency. VeChain can also help accumulate credible data for enterprises and attract corporate users with sustainable concepts. Conclusion: VeChain continues to expand its collaboration with the Chinese government and has become the default blockchain solution in China. VeChain is the only commercial blockchain platform approved in China and has been praised by officials for its innovative technology. VeChain has also announced partnership with CAFA and will soon partner with the government for the rollout of the carbon emission trading platform and play a significant role in the country's plastic pollution control. With China expected to roll out their digital yuan soon, VeChain's blockchain may play a central role in the traceability and immutability of transactions, thereby creating value for both VeChain and the government. With that being said, what do you think about VeChain's effort to help China reduce its carbon emissions? What partnerships do you think VeChain will announce next? Feel free to share all your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments. We would love your subscription so we can always update you with our newest videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one. Love VeChain. Stay guarded.